I've put on this event d.REM, a dream sensorium, to investigate the effect that sound, scent, sculpture and other sensory probes can have on sleep and dreams. So people will sleep overnight in the museum amidst these sensory installations to investigate how they affect their subconscious and whether they can awaken worlds in the caverns of sleeping minds. Dr. Keith Han, who did the first lucid dream work in the 70s.
Woo!
Yay! Woo! One of the artists. Adette Toilette, who has created a scent installation through the space. She's diffusing vetiver. Tree Carr, who's a dream guide and death doula. She'll tell you a bit about what that, it's a mysterious title, she'll tell you a bit about it. Rebecca Salvadori, whose projections you see here and in the last room.
Right.
Woo! And Camilla Anston, who created an amazing installation in the room downstairs.
Piercing sunlight that evaporates the oceans, dries out and splits open the earth, reaches down even into the underworld. The God breathes in, takes the air from every living being.
And we often close the evening off with a dream tea ceremony, and we use various plants to help kind of promote and trigger dreams and possibly lucid dreams.
100,000 dreams. And I am with you as the dream keeper. I'm supporting your harmonious dreaming.
Yeah, it was a really interesting experience. I confess I never expected to be wandering around Freud's bedroom in my pajamas.
I saw this big yellow heart floating in the air, and I was like, oh, that's really nice. It's because there's a lot of love in this place.
The whole experience was really, really beautiful.
It's interesting to have a chance to really focus on the conscious and dream part of your sleeping, which is just something that kind of, on an average work a day, you don't really spend much time often reflecting on it, so it's quite nice to think about sleeping and dreaming.
It was a really lovely experience.